Okay, it's mid-month July. This week wasn't all that bad, but I didn't get to work at all. They closed the plant down on the 4th of July. I had agreed to work for somebody else on Saturday, but they didn't work, so I didn't have to go in and fill in for her, which basically means this check was 20 hours. After they take everything out of it, this check is pretty bad. I mean, it's not, oops, I thought that was going to be a fart bad, but pretty bad nonetheless. So essentially, this check should be better with 36 hours. We got to go home early on Saturday. So instead of 12 hours, I only got 10. That's pretty much it. Let's see, we got 12 hours on Sunday. And tomorrow's Wednesday, so I got to go in Wednesday. I think that's about all the updates. They have started posting jobs on the board now, so hopefully I can get hired and get a better paying position there. I don't know. I have put in a bid for every job they posted, so we'll see what happens. Oh, and because I haven't gotten paid nearly as much, I have put stuff on the city card that was paid off again, so it's no longer paid off. Although I'm going to try to do something to get it paid off before the end of the month anyway, and keep it paid off. I think that was it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave me a comment or questions in the comment question section, and I appreciate you watching.